art friends, today we are going to draw a funny cartoon orange.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our black marker to draw with, and you could use something different like a colored pencil or even a crayon. But because we're using a marker, we have several sheets of regular paper. And we're not using marker paper because at the very end, we're going to color with our gel crayons. But we have several sheets to protect our table because this soaks through. What shape is an orange?
A circle.
Yeah, a circle. We're going to draw, we'll start in the middle up here, and we're going to draw a circle that's pretty big so that we can draw a funny orange cartoon. Nice, good job. Then at the top, let's draw a little curve. And we could also add maybe another curve right next to it. Then let's draw the stem coming out. I'm going to draw a little curve right here, and then I'm going to curve out. Then we can do another curve on the other side coming in, and then draw the other side of the stem coming up. So we kind of have this thicker part down at the bottom. Then up here, we could draw a little circle or oval to connect the two lines at the very top. And then let's draw leaves. We're going to draw our orange leaves. We're going to curve out and then leave a point at the end and curve back. Should we add another leaf?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it on the other side. We'll curve out and then back in. Yeah, we did it. Well, we're not completely done.
Nope.
It looks like an orange, but it's not a funny cartoon orange. What are we missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, we're going to draw the mouth first. I'm going to draw it maybe right here in the middle. I'm going to draw it really happy. So I'm going to draw a smile like this. And you could also change your funny face any way you want. I'm going to draw the mouth really big. And maybe even add teeth. I'm going to draw some teeth underneath. And then, oh, we could even add more teeth. And I'm going to draw a tongue here in the middle.
I'm going to do mine on this side.
Oh, that's awesome. And then we can color in the inside of the mouth. And that part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Also, let's add eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle over here for the left eye and the same size circle for the right eye. We can also draw a little circle in the top left of each eye for the highlight, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our funny oranges. And oh, I love the extra things that you added, like eyelashes. And what's this?
This is an orange blossom.
Oh, really cute. Like it's in her hair.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're not completely done.
You still need to color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward again, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
I added a little yellow highlight in the top left of my orange, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. You could also use the dark orange in our gel crayon set to add a little shadow underneath the orange. And this actually looks very red, but we're going to draw a little crescent shape for the shadow. But you can also leave this off. This just makes the orange look a little more 3D. You could also even add maybe a shadow up here for the leaves. I used the light green to color in the leaves solid, and then the dark green you can add a little line down the leaf and other lines to add the texture inside of the leaf. Another fun thing you can do with these crayons is blend them. And if you're using like the dark orange down here for the shadow, so I'm going to put this back in, and this is really fun. You can use a paper towel, or you could even use your finger if you want. But paper towel will keep your finger from getting messy, but you can, look at that. Oh, this is awesome. It blends the shadows so that it looks nice and smooth.
I love that.
I'm also going to see if I can blend the highlight a little bit more over here. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our funny cartoon oranges. Man, yours is my favorite. It's always my favorite.
Aw, thanks. I love yours too.
You can pause the video to match our same color, and you can also even add more things in the background. Maybe there's a whole family of oranges. Oh, and maybe even a baby orange.
We hope you had fun drawing a funny cartoon orange.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.